Big L, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
All right, man. I am beyond excited for this video. I'm so hyped, like ecstatic for this video right now because today, finally, I'm finished on a project that I've been working on for a year now. Literally a year in the making with the product that I'm about to show you. I have a new drop that is probably gonna be live when you see this video, if not shortly after. We got 3 items releasing with this drop, and I can honestly say this is the most cohesive, clean, classy drop I've ever had, and I'm just beyond hyped on this stuff, man. Like, really, I am. I'm gonna break down each item, 3 things, and if you know the website that I sell stuff at, you can go to that now. It's also down in the description, but you should hang out. Let me break this stuff down for you guys real quick because it's important to go over some of these details. But real quick, before we get into this stuff, I just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much. I literally cannot do this without your support. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for supporting previous clothing drops. I appreciate you guys so much. I don't say it enough, but truly I'm grateful. Thank you. So because of your support, I've been given these opportunities like the one I'm about to talk about right now. Last year, I had the opportunity to design my own hat with 47 brand. I'm wearing it right now. You guys have probably seen it on like my Twitter and Instagram and probably my Snapchat because I've been posting this throughout the year and I just like really couldn't keep it under wraps. And this hat, the one you've been seeing, is a sample. It went into production throughout the fall and finally, just recently, the hats are done. So here's the story on how this hat came to life. 47 brand is a local company. It's just outside of Boston, and I connected with them somewhat early on. I became friends with some of the marketing people over there, and they gave me the chance to design my own hat. So this wasn't just like, oh, here's a blank, you can throw your logo on that. I designed this hat completely with no setbacks, and I was able to do whatever I wanted, and this was the end result. I created 4 different hats, and I got the samples in, and I said, all right, I'm gonna see which one of these I wear the most, and then whichever one that is, I'm gonna put into production. I did a red hat, and I only wore this thing once, and ultimately, I just didn't wanna release a red hat. I did a black one, and I lost that. I did like it, but I lost it. And then the charcoal gray I have in my hat collection, but I've already done gray hats, so I wanted to do something different. Ultimately, I decided on this cream hat that I'm wearing, and this is like a surreal feeling coming from 47 brand in their packaging. Like, this is what Lids gets. So the whole design inspiration behind this was finding an in-between point from a curved brim dad hat and a fitted hat. I wear both of those pretty regularly, and I wanted to find something right in the middle, and that's what this is. It's got that longer flat brim like fitted caps have, and it comes bent perfectly. It's not curved. You don't have to do anything to this. And then moving up top, this is a deeper fit like fitted caps have, but it's less structured. You know, on-field New Era hats that you get, they're very rigid in the front because they're showcasing a logo, and that makes sense. And I do like those, but I wanted that deeper fit with less restrictive material on the top. So the details on this thing, obviously you've got my classic Win script logo on the side, and it's outlined in navy to pop a little bit more. You also have a small W star logo that I occasionally use, not very often, but I wanted to have a logo in the front, but have it be monochrome and match the rest of the hat. So it's there, you can't really see it, but it's just a small detail that I really like. And then on the back of the hat is definitely one of the best features. You've got a brown leather strap. Now, this is a nice quality leather. It's the perfect length, and then obviously it's in this cream off-white color, which is one of my favorite colors. You don't see light color hats too often, but this is my favorite hat that I have right now, and I've been wearing it for just under a year now. It's crazy that I haven't been able to show this to you guys more, but you've seen it in I think a lookbook once, and then occasionally I'll post it. But this hat I've been wearing for a year, and I have not gotten it dirty. So that is something key. This cream tannish color it hides a little bit more dirt than like a white hat does. But with all that said, the price of this cap is 32 bucks, which I thought was very fair and an average price. These are available right now. You can check down in the description. So hyped on this hat, man. This is the best hat that I own. And now that I'm sharing it with you guys, I'm keeping like 5 personals and I'm just gonna continue to wear them. There were a good amount of these hats that were made, so if you want one, you should be able to get it, I hope. But you know, this stuff tends to go within 2 or 3 days. So if you're seeing this video and you're thinking about getting it later on, I can't guarantee that it's gonna be available. And then of course, I didn't wanna just release a hat. Had to have something special to go along with it. So I brought back my lifetime hooded sweatshirt. If you've bought one of these before, you know the deal. This is one of the best quality sweatshirts that you can buy for its price anywhere. Like, this is right on point with Aimé Leondor, Kith, John Elliott. For me, it's still very much hoodie season and I can wear this stuff at night. But if you really can't wear a sweatshirt right now and you don't want to buy one, it's all good. I'll catch you in the fall or a t-shirt drop throughout the summer. But trust me, man, like if you have the room in your closet and you don't have one of these yet, this is a gem. I've got 2 hoodies here. I'm gonna show you the second one in a second. I wanted to make these ones count and they are bangers. So this is navy, and I've talked about navy so many times. It's very difficult to make or create a good navy color. It's not as easy as you think. A lot of the fast fashion brands, their navies look like junk. This is a true navy blue. As you can see, you've got my Win logo embroidered on the front here, and it's tonal. Same thing as the rest of the sweatshirt. There's also another Win logo on the left sleeve, like I always do with a lot of my hoodies, and this time it stands out a little bit more than previous drops. It's in a cream color to match the hat, and it's also outlined in navy. So this thing pops, and I love how this sweatshirt turned out, man. This thing is a beast. This tonal Win logo on the front really does bring it together. These sweatshirts fit true to size, and this one does have a drawstring on the front. So initially I was just gonna release this navy sweatshirt, but I threw a curveball in at the end because this cream joint right here, I could not resist. This originally was gonna be friends and family. I was gonna do one for myself, one for my brother, one for my dad, and then a few for my friends. But once I got it in, I was like, fuck, man, this material is too good and the color is on point. I've got to do these. Same design as the navy sweatshirt, tonal Win logo in the front, and then a navy Win script logo on the left sleeve that's outlined. It pops. No drawstring with this one. So the price of this sweatshirt is 99 bucks. I promise you, you cannot find a better quality sweatshirt than this for 99 bucks, or really anywhere near that. This is 100% made in Canada. It's not like China materials being manufactured in Canada, because some places do that. This is 100% made in Canada from Canadian materials. I've got a good relationship with the people that run the manufacturing house, and they seem like good people. I've seen their employees. Like, it makes sense, and it makes me want to do business with them. And the price for me to release this to you guys is 99 bucks, and I'm hardly making anything off that. Most people don't talk about their margins in their videos, but I'm like not making much at all. Hardly enough to even do this again. But I just had to do this sweatshirt because it's too good. This is like an amazing quality sweatshirt, and I'm sorry if you can't wear this throughout the summer. I would honestly say buy it and just stash it, wear it a few sparing nights, or if it gets chilly during the day, because that's usually what I do. I mean, sweatshirts aren't dead for me throughout the summer. I still rock them at night or if it gets chilly. I've been rocking this hat, this hoodie, and then shorts. Love that combo right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Again, the website to cop all this stuff is in the description as well. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and again, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I'll catch you soon. Peace.